then? Yeah, afternoon. Afternoon he'll be. We will play ball also. You like? You like to play ball with me? Later we'll play, huh? Oh, yeah. Where is your ball? Where is your ball? Where's the ball? There. Okay. We will get the ball. Here's your ball. Here's the ball. Here's the ball. Yeah. Yeah. Here's the ball. Hold your ball. Come on. Hold your ball. Come on. Hold your ball. Hold your ball. Why? No ball today. You don't like to play ball? Oh, where's the... Okay, where's the Barbie? Barbie!
No.
You like to play ball?
No.
Oh, sorry.
No.
Oh, sorry.
No.
Sorry. Okay, no. No. Asa man ka po, anak na? Oh, yun na.
Put your own jelly.
Hello.
No, he just want to talk to me. Right? Later na lang we'll play ball, no? Or you play with Dadan no? Yeah.
Lucas? Si Mamo. Lucas? Look at me. Lucas. Look at Momo.
Why are you not looking at Mamo?
Lucas?
You don't like Mamo?
No.
Why?
So.
Sa mukha ni Mamo.
Kiss ko, Lucas.
Talk to Mamo.
Ow.
Talk to Mamo. You don't want to talk to Mamo? Huh? Uy! Okay, let's talk. Come on. What would you like to do? Yeah? What was that about? Why we were not here? Yeah, long time no, did not see you, no? We're here naman. We're here already. Okay, we will be here every weekend. Okay? Not this weekend, next weekend. We'll have activity man in school. It's Kuya Rick's camping man. Yeah. Next week we'll be here, okay? Oh no, we're still here. We're here. Oh. Okay, we'll do our best to be here, okay? We will do our best to be here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so that we can play, huh? Okay? Kuya Rick also? He will be here also. Okay? Will be Tita Beth will be here also. Tia Mitch will be here also. Oy! Yeah, Tia Mitch did not bring you gift anymore? Oh, yeah, she
No
will
more
bring,
job, no
for
more.
Sure.
No
For
more
sure.
job.
Oh, she will bring something for sure. Oh, Tita Bet also, ha? They will be here. They'll bring something for Lucas. Na? Okay? Sige na. Oh, don't be lonely na, don't be lonely na. They will be here, they will be here. Okay?